Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. In this video, I'll talk about how only by looking at one planet in your Patrika, you will be able to predict a lot of things about your family, about your relatives, about your friends, about your younger sibling, about your spouse. So let's start the video. So in this video, we will be taking only one planet into consideration. Here we have taken Sun in the first house. So with Sun, we will be predicting about each and every house here. So from first house, the second house becomes your family members house and also the house of your spouse. So when we consider second house, that is your spouse, then in order to understand the qualities, we will be considering the 12th house. From second house, your first house will become the 12th house. So 12th house is all about your spouse expenses. Your spouse will be spending money on their father, on her father a lot in life. Then your spouse will be somewhere associated with government departments and she will be spending money in lot of penalties and a lot of fines also. Like somewhere in the government department she will be spending a lot of her money. Okay. Then the third house from second, the third house is the house of your younger sibling. So from third house, your first house becomes your 11th house. So for younger sibling, they will be able to gain from government organization. Okay, they will be able to earn good money through government organization. They will get benefit from their father also with this placement. Now moving on to fourth house, that is the next house from third. Fourth house is the house of your mother and first house becomes your mother's 10th house. 10th house is the house of name and fame and status. So your mother, since in the 10th house Sun is sitting, so your mother will be having very famous personality. She will be recognized in the society. She will be somebody who will be associated with government department or government organization, or might be she's working in some government department with this placement. Now we'll be considering fifth house. Fifth house is the house of your firstborn child. So from fifth house, your first house becomes the ninth house. Ninth house is the house of long travel, long distance travel, and also the house of higher learning, and also the house of reward and recognition. So with this placement, your child in later half of the life will be doing further education in abroad or at a long distance place, and he will love to travel. He will love to do long distance traveling, and where he will get recognition. He will get associated with government departments also here in later half of the life. Then we'll go to next house, which is the sixth house. Here sixth house is the house of your enemies, open enemies. Then also this is the house of your servants, and from sixth house, first house becomes your 8th house. So since Sun is sitting here and 8th house is the house of longevity, so the longevity of your servants will be good with this placement. Now we will move on to 7th house. 7th house is the house of your business partner, the partner you are doing business with. And from 7th becomes your first house, which is the house of day-to-day activity. Since Sun is there, so these people will be very routine oriented people. These people will be very disciplined people, and moreover they will be very hard working people, and they will having some kind of status and values, strong values they will stay. Then we don't consider 8th house in this placement, in this method. Then we'll go to 9th house. 9th house is the house of your gurus, and from 9th house your first house will become 5th house. So 5th house is the house of your habits. So your guru will be having very positive and very good habits with this placement. Okay. Then we will go to your 10th house. 10th house is the house of your father. With this placement, first house will become 4th house, which is the house of your home. So father will be having a bungalow given by the government, or a huge house or a big house associated with a government department, or might be that your father is associated with the government department. Because of it, he has got a huge house, a big house, and this is a good placement for father to live a happy life at home and a peaceful life. Then we will go to 11th house. 11th house is the house of your elder sibling. This is the house of your friends also. So from this placement, third house is the house, from this placement first house will become the third house, which is the house of courage. And since sun is sitting here, so your friends will be very courageous people. Your elder brother will be very courageous, and they will be doing short travels also quite often. And then we will go to 12th house. 12th house is the house of your secret enemies, and from 12th house your first house becomes the second house, which is a house of income. So your secret enemies, financial situations will not be good here with this placement. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and share it with others also. So thank you all. Have a nice day. Namaskar.